Hello guys and girls, I'm back. Today, this is Moxie Day. I'm pretty sure it's on day 37, so we are getting closer to 40 and soon 50. And today, because of all the channel changes and chaos which ensued, at least it felt like chaos to me because, I had a weekend off, spending it with my daughter. I sort of digested what's happening on Monday. And I think one of the biggest things is that the Moxie Fan Token channel gating actually works really well. Everybody is super happy with it. And so I want to show you today how you can token gate your channel with Moxie. Whether you want to do it, for just avoiding spam or to drive your channel fan token price up. It's totally up to you, but the process is very simple. Even I could do it, so you can do it too. Let's jump right into it. So I am going to share a window with you as usual, and this is actually a guide which Jason and the team put together. I'll share with you the link to the cast from where all the goodies come from. It opens the Notion page, and it basically takes you step by step what you need to do to fan token membership gate your channel. So because I'm owner of just one channel which actually has fan token, I'm going to use Moxie Daily as a fan token gating exercise. We need to go to AirStack, manage channel. So we need to find the channel. Then we enter the amount of fan tokens. I will enable Moxie Notify, even though I don't think anybody else except me is going to use it, but we'll see. And then we need to add the Notabot as a moderator and change a little bit of descriptions and target links in the description of the channel. So let's jump right into it, okay? I'll scroll back so you can see it. I'll find the AirStack here. So this is my profile. Easy enough. I always get confused with channels and where I'm a channel owner. So you don't want to. Channels are all the channels where you are sort of member and probably even a follower. I don't even know now. I have to ask. But channel owner are those which are yours. And maybe or hopefully you've launched at least one channel fan token. I did, but I did as an experiment with Moxie Daily. I definitely need to get the artist spotlight done soon and build better, but we'll get to it. So the easy part, I located this, manage channel. You see the toggles require fan tokens. How many fan tokens of a channel I can require? Token is 77, so let's say I require 10. I enable Moxie Notify. Amount of Moxie to actually pin something will be 10,000, maybe 5. So you're not greedy. Apply. And, then what's happening is, I assume, we basically sort of added some actions here. Now, I need to add Notabot as a moderator to Moxie Daily. So we'll go straight away to the, where is the, I totally lost track of where I was, so I apologize for this, but I think it had to be somewhere here. Oh yeah. So Moxie Daily, managed channel. Okay. And so the first thing which I need to do is not a bot. Easiest way to find a member is to actually search for it. I'm inviting not a bot to be a member. This way, I think we've done what we needed to do. Let's have a look. So we went to find the channel owner, manage the channel, toggled fan tokens. We set 10 fan tokens required to join the channel, 5,000 Moxie required to actually pin something to the channel. Added Nodebot as a moderator on our manage members, and I need to make not about a moderator, which I probably didn't, but he is there. So not the bot may add as a moderator. So that should be it. Now you see, I'm moderator, not a bot is a moderator. So we should be good. Let's check it, right? Not a bot, a moderator, and editing the membership details. Here comes the frame, which allows people, the frame is great. It allows anyone to check if they can access the channel because they have enough tokens. It allows anybody to buy the tokens on the spot, which you are missing. I did the same thing with Yes Chef. I owned 100 tokens, but you needed 200 tokens to actually join. So I bought 100 on the spot, and it allowed me to join the channel. So it was super easy. Works like a charm. This is the easy way to get the link. We will go through the rest through the other way as well. So I would otherwise I would use this one, honestly, because it's faster. But we can go back to AirStack, and we have to probably refresh because it seems it didn't catch up that we added not about as a moderator. Okay, let me see why is this happening. Validate. I couldn't see that, my mistake. Something with the size of the screen frame. You see, validating kind of didn't work for us. Never mind. We go back and we'll finish whatever we started. Here you go. Channel description. Moxie Daily. Explainer videos. You need fan tokens to join the channel. And here we go. This is what we change. Moxie Daily. Save the changes. And now you see, get the fan tokens. Oh, okay. Join the channel. You see, join now. It will check what's happening. I hope I have some tokens so I can join my channel. But this should, okay, that's a shame. But, you guys can go and check it out for yourself. I'm already a member, you see, that's how it works. Let me just do one more thing. I want to fix the description. What just happened? What just happened? Join the channel. So, yeah, join the channel. It calls out the thing, and that's about it. That's it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you today. Super easy to add the option to the fan token gate your channel. AirStack team, excellent job. Go and try it. I think you will love it. I'll see you tomorrow.